Amritsar, literally a pool of nectar, is the Mukutmani, the jewel in the crown of Punjab, a holy city where the temporal meets the spiritual and creates a fascinating web of life. It lures you with the mystique and vibrancy, charms you with the treasured troves of art and history, coloristic culture, cuisine, and blesses you with its quintessential spirituality. During the reign of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, gates were built which used to protect the city from invaders. The Great Wall with the 12 fortification gates were the only residential area for the public at that time. But now the gates has been demolished one by one, and few got rebuilt by British government. The area outside the gates also got developed and the whole got popular with Amritsar district with approximately 2683 km square. The area inside the gates got famous as city side or Shahar. Let's take a colourful walk of Shahar and enjoy Shahar diyan raunakan. Amritsar, named after the healing and holy water that engage its brightest jewel, Sri Harimandir Sahib, the Golden Temple, founded in 1573 with the digging of the holy pool, Sri Harimandir Sahib, the ultimate pilgrimage not just for the Sikhs but for people of all faiths. Deoris and the gates without doors of this everlastingly awake shrine welcomes everyone from all directions. Right across from the Akal Takht, the seat of the Timeless One, the resplendent Swarn Mandir is a prayer craft in stone and gold. Nearby, the Ramgarhia Bunga that houses the royal stone of Mughals. Simply walk the Parikrama, going at the secret spot where the 5th Guru, Guru Arjan Dev Ji, composed the Granth Sahib. Har Ki Pauri and Dukhbhanjani Beri. Join the langar, the free kitchen, or absorb the history of the Panth at the Central Sikh Museum, the Tosha Khana, and the Golden Temple Museum. At the all four sides of Harimandir Sahib, there is a beautiful garden named as Galyara. To the south of Harimandir Sahib, the 9th story octagonal tower of Gurdwara Baba Atal Rai is the finest architectural marvels. Its mesmerized frescoes depicting the life of Guru Nanak Dev Ji are the visual delights. The city developed into the Katras and Mandis. A walkthrough or a rickshaw ride navigating the dense matrix of by-lanes enable you to feel the pulse of Shahar. Beauty of old heritage buildings and bazaars in congested and narrow lanes remind you about the many old stories. 13 April 1919, the day of Baisakhi, was a turning point. 2,000 people gathered in the walled garden Jallianwala Bagh in a non-violent protest against British rule. General E.H. Dyer ordered to open fire, resulting in hundreds of men, women, and children killed on the spot. These bullet marks on the boundary walls take you back to those dark days when Amritsar's spirit of freedom birthed pride and inspired the nation to rise. The Jama Masjid religious centre in Amritsar is known for its beautiful architecture, which was built in 1976 by Muhammad Khairuddin. Start the day with the typical breakfast of puri chane. Try some delectable kulche chole, famous Amritsari thali, or go for ever popular lassi with makhan da peda. Matka kulfi, jalebi, and gulab jamun. Santokhsar Sahib is one of the 5 historical sarovars constructed by Guru Arjan Dev Ji. The Longa Mata Mandir is situated inside the Gandhi Gate. On the top of the temple, there is a big dome in the center with 4 small domes on all the 4 sides, an elephant facing towards the front that enhances the beauty. The marble carvings with several Lord idols add adornment to the temple. Lion, the Savari of Mata, paying obeisance to the main temple. Enjoy traditional and modern wears in Katra Jaimal Singh. Try some rich color of parandas, chudas, kaliras in Chuda Bazaar. Huge electronic and stationery market in Hall Bazaar. Pure gold and silver jewelries in Guru Ka Bazaar. The delectable Amritsari papads in different color and flavors or vadiyan in Papda Wala Bazaar are bound to pull at your heartstrings. Famous pickles, sharbat and murabba in Mishri Bazaar. Fulkari, carpets, musical instruments or master craftsmen bent on delicate wood carvings. Pause to see wonderful art of pottery making in Hakima Gate and collection of old coins and sculptures. While passing through the congested and narrow lanes of Pandyawala Bazaar, a utensil market, one can distinctly hear the rhythmic sound of metal beating. Wonderful artifacts of steel, brass and copper utensil. Town Hall, Congress Bhavan, Jamadar Haveli, Baba Board is 500-year-old holy tree. A temple is constructed around this tree. Shani Mandir, Donge Hanuman Mandir, the Shivala Nima Bazaar, Akhada Sangalwala, Sanja Manja, Giant Bed. Shehar is not just a heart of Amritsar, it's an attitude, a fascinating way of life. It lives up to its reputation of being a Shehre-Panah, a city that provides shelter, and of being Sifti Dakar, its favorite destination for exploring mind and seeking heart. So take a few days off and be in Amritsar. Enjoy the Shehar Diyan Raunakan.